Introducing the HowFixit PRO MAX screwdriver set, the ultimate precision toolkit for every repair enthusiast and professional. Packed with 93 nickel-plated bits and 9 sockets, this comprehensive set is perfect for repairing smartphones, laptops, game consoles, MacBooks, smartwatches, and almost any electronic device. Never worry about losing essential bits again. With the most frequently used bits included twice, you'll always have a spare ready for action. Every bit is crafted from ultra-durable Chrome-vanadium steel, ensuring exceptional durability and lasting precision. Plus, this kit comes with a magnetizer, allowing you to magnetize bits as needed. With non-magnetized bits and a separate magnetizer, you get maximum flexibility. Magnetize bits when working with tiny screws, and quickly demagnetize when repairing sensitive electronics to protect delicate components. The screwdriver handle is crafted from lightweight aluminum alloy. It features a 360-degree rotating cap for effortless rotation and a comfortable, non-slip textured grip, reducing hand fatigue even during extended repairs. The handle is superbly balanced for precise fingertip control. Enhance your repairs with versatile accessories like anti-static tweezers and a soft extension bar. Included anti-static tweezers help you safely handle and precisely position tiny components, essential for delicate electronic repairs. The flexible soft extension bar easily reaches screws in challenging angles and tight spaces. All these tools and bits are neatly organized in a durable, compact ABS case, perfectly sized to carry wherever your repairs take you. HowFixit PRO MAX, your trusted partner in precision repair. Upgrade today and experience unmatched convenience and versatility. HowFixit, because precision matters.